On the third day of filing of candidate certificates of candidacy, the obscure and the obviously familiar showed up to put their applications on record. Among the more familiar faces or personalities who formally signified their intent to run for office as rookie or re-electionist included Makati Vice Mayor Monique Lagdameo seeking a congressional seat, ex-Taguig Mayor City Mayor Lino Cayetano wanting back power in the city government, and Manila's incumbent Honey Lacuna and her party mates seeking to extend their terms amidst a comeback of former ally turned rival and predecessor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso, as we hear more from our Mela Les Moras.
Manila 1st District Representative Ernix Junicio was received with loud cheers and lively chants by his welcoming supporters as he arrived at the COMELEC NCR office in Quezon City. Junicio filed his certificate of candidacy for re-election accompanied by prominent aspirants for Mayor and Vice Mayor of Manila, former Mayor Isko Moreno and former PTV host Chi Atienza.
We wish to continue lahat ng mga nagawa natin for Tondo. Now I'm with Yorme Isko and Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, and exciting times for the City of Manila and for the 1st District Tondo, Manila.
In an interview, Moreno was asked by the media about Manila Mayor Honey Lacuna. The two were former allies, but it's widely speculated they will face off in the upcoming elections. Lacuna even said she felt betrayed, to which Moreno said,
"Hayaan ko na lang ang taong bayan sa Maynila ang sumagot. Peace be with you."
Meanwhile, as for the Taguig Pateros District, former Taguig City Mayor Lino Cayetano has also filed his certificate of candidacy accompanied by his family.
Excited po ako na muling makapagsilbi sa lungsod ng Taguig at ngayon ako Taguig Pateros. Excited po ako na tulungan yung mga kababayan ko maghanap ng mga bagong solusyon sa mga dati na naming mga problema.
As of now, 31 individuals have already filed their COCs for congressional seats in Metro Manila since Tuesday. As early as now, some have already showcased their platforms.
I want to be able to contribute pa sa social services. Though Makati na kami, there is still some things that we can contribute to.
Well, sa Maynila, ako po ang naging principal author ng Anti-Discrimination Ordinance sa LGBT. So, kung hindi po ako pasado sa Kongreso, I will participate in the deliberation of that law. Sana makatulong tayo doon.
Two of the COC filers are expected to challenge the prominent political families in Las Piñas and Quezon City. If elected, they want to put up measures against political dynasties.
Magkakapatid, magpipinsan, magnananay. Wala na bang iba? Magkakasabay at magkakasunod. You know, if you belong to the same family, that's a political dynasty.
Putulin na natin at tigilin na natin ang political dynasty. No? Yan ang dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng kahirapan at korupsyon sa ating bansa. At dito sa Las Piñas, mag-uumpisa ang ating laban.
There are 5 days left for those who still wish to file their certificates of candidacy. The COMELEC NCR reminds everyone,
I am appealing to those who are planning to run, file your COC early, no? Or have it checked before the last minute of before the last minute in the last day of the filing of the COs.
Mela Les Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.